Time now is about 6:43. We're waking up to some cloudy skies, raindrops on our HD camera looking over the Illinois River here in Peoria. There's the Murray-Baker Bridge, and we're seeing a temperature right now in the River City about 51 degrees, 48 though over in Bloomington Normal. Here's what we're looking at on our weather alerts. Today we have a flash flood watch that's in effect for a good chunk of the area, as we're going to see several rounds of heavy rain and an additional 1 to 2 inches on top of what we saw yesterday, with most areas yesterday picking up about 1 inch of rain. Here's what we have going on this morning. Some more moderate rain moving into the Peoria area right now as this area of heavy rain moves off to the east and out of our area. So zooming in on this right here, we're seeing a lot of lightning with it, and those yellows and oranges and reds indicating some moderate to heavy rainfall. It's probably waking a lot of folks up this morning because these showers and storms are quite loud as they make their way towards Peoria. So if you're traveling on Interstate 74 between Brimfield and Peoria, just be prepared. This is going to be moving into the city of Peoria here in the next about 5 to 10 minutes. Right now, temperatures are in the upper 40s to low 50s. And then I'm looking at our our precision cast. Here's what we have going on. It's all about the moisture for us. So here we are this afternoon and evening. We're going to see this warm front lifting north throughout the day. That's going to bring in those winds out of the southeast, and it's going to be aided with something we call the Bermuda High. We talked about this yesterday, and this is basically this high pressure system off to the east of Florida. And with high pressure systems, those winds, they go clockwise around them. So it's going to go and bring in all of those winds and a lot of moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, giving us some flash flooding potential and also a lot of moisture for us moving in here. So that's really going to set us up to see any storm that does form the next 24 hours. It's going to have a lot of moisture with it. So here we are, 1 p.m. today, seeing one round of some showers moving through. This will kind of break up, become more isolated for us. Then we're going to see that going ahead and continuing to move out of here before we see our next round moving in during the overnight hours. And some of those could be on the strong side. So the main risk is going to be high winds, and that flooding potential is in the high category because, again, we have a lot of moisture to work with here. Then after that, we're looking on Friday at 66, and finally drying out, temperature of 70 degrees going into Saturday.
Sounds good. Those yards are going to need some work this weekend.
Oh, are they ever?
Yeah, gotta watch out for those muddy paws too if you have any pets at home.
Javi ran outside yesterday.
Yes.
It was downpouring and just quickly ran back inside.
And tracked on the floor.